Today I show you an unboxing of the SJOSS charger, 20 watts power delivery. This is the cheapest SJOSS charger I could find. It's like just a few euros and it's one port, 20 watts, USB-C to USB-C or to whatever you have. These are the charging modes it can do, and I opened one of them actually already, and then I bought another one because I thought maybe I'll buy another one because it's so cheap. So these are really useful for some small devices or anything really, and I want to show you how they look like. I bought this from Romania. Here in Cyprus they don't have this 20 watts charger, and this is the SJOSS, and it even has colors, so you can give them colors like that. For example, let's make this one, could put it here, give it a color like that. There is no information about the current used, the power used when it's not in use, so that's a bit strange. But yeah, 20 watts power delivery. So this is one, and this is the information here. These are the modes it can do: power delivery, quick charge 3.0, power delivery 3.0, 3.0. It can do 20 watts at 15 volts. So information here and some information here. You can pause the video if you want to see this part. And I will open the second one. It's going to be the same. So that's one. And the other. These are the, it's like ID of the charger. Okay. So it looks the same. This is the regular charger for European connection. This is from Romania, this charger. Here in Cyprus we have this kind of UK plug, but there are adapters for it. So we have two chargers that looks the same here. I did use this and it doesn't show slow charging on iPhone. So if you want to buy this for iPhone, if you want to charge your iPhone, it actually works pretty good. So I'll show you right now. My iPhone is charging. Okay, the iPhone is charging, and I'll show you the battery. That's how fast it will charge. This might change, but it's actually working pretty well. So you can charge your tablet, you can charge your iPhone, you can charge your Android phone, but it's really useful for some devices like small electronics devices if you have, and you can have this as a power supply for USB-C. It's a USB-C power supply basically. They also have a 65 watts power delivery charger, a 30 watts power delivery charger, and a 45 watts power delivery charger. The 65 watts is really the heaviest one, and it's one port. The 45 watts is two ports, and 30 watts is one port also, but the 30 watts is making a bit of strange buzzing noise. I want to hear this one if it's making any noises. Oh yeah, it's buzzing also. Yeah, this one is also buzzing. No, I thought it was buzzing, but not all the time. It seems like it's making some buzzing noises when the charging starts. Let's hear it. So far no buzzing. Seems okay. I don't know, sometimes it's buzzing, sometimes it's not, but the noise is very low. Let's try the other one. Okay. Let's hear the buzzing. Yeah, there's no buzzing. I don't know, there was something temporary or some, I don't know, this one. I'll try this one again. Okay, for the 30 watts, usually the buzzing was when it was not plugged in, so let's hear it now. Yeah, this is quiet. You can hear it. There is nothing. Okay, so these are good. There is no buzzing. The only one that buzzes is the 30 watts for some reason. These are good chargers, very cheap, 20 watts power delivery chargers that they could charge your iPhone, even iPad. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.